Hi, my name is Patrick Zambin. I work for Mao USA. We're at Founders Brewing Company today. I've been in manufacturing for about 20 years now, and then the brewing industry for about 10 years at Founders. Founders has a solid foothold in the United States craft industry with a growing global presence. About 6 years ago, Founders was trying to streamline some processes and get rid of some inefficiencies. So we decided to utilize the data from the equipment to help make better informed decisions. The main objective was to have a digital overall equipment efficiency, or OEE, software to remove all the paper off the production floor, to help the operators have better data entry and to give our managers better data reports. We partnered with Engineering Industries Excellence for this project. They were highly recommended as a strategic consultant that would help us in our digital transformation. Engineering Industries Excellence suggested we use Amazon Web Services Cloud to help us implement our project. With their ease of deployment and flexible software, they would be a great partner. So additionally, AWS offers so many features. You can extract your data from so many different angles, and you can look at your data using any software platform. We want to implement a smart manufacturing solution to help us with a digital OEE platform. We wanted a 100% out-of-the-box experience. We didn't want to have to worry about custom code and have issues with updates later. The main steps for this was working with them and the AWS support team to download AWS IoT Greengrass, which is just a lightweight software which resides on-premise and points to AWS's IoT Sitewise, which is in Amazon's cloud. From there, the smart manufacturing solution ties into Sitewise. Thanks to this project, we've been able to eliminate a lot of inefficiencies and waste in our process, allowing our operators to go right to a digital platform. So next step for Founders is to migrate our current historian into AWS IoT Sitewise. That will allow smart manufacturing solutions to help us in other areas of our business. At Founders Brewing, we are committed to quality and innovation. We are confident in our partnerships to achieve this vision.